Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what BART AI will give us as a strategy to pay off our debt fast. Very interesting. This is series number 3. In the first episode we went through how you could actually learn about personal finance. Second step we went through how to save money, and today we're going to learn how to pay off debt fast. We're gonna learn from the whole variety of information that is on Google search, and BART AI will generate only the best prime information for us. So according to BART AI, there are several effective ways to pay off debt fast, but the approach depends on your particular situation. So this means that we gotta bend the examples in our favor. Focus on the high interest debt. What they actually mean is that the debt that costs you the most, the highest interest, usually this is the credit cards. Prioritizing pay off your debt with the highest interest rate first. This is because even small payments towards these debts can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Meaning, guys, if you have multiple debts and some of them cost you, let's say, a student loan, right, a 1% interest versus the credit card, which is 20, 25, 30%, right? Even though the student loan might be 100K and the credit card debt could be $1,000, but because the interest on the credit card is 20x more, it costs you more money. The second strategy over here, broken down, is that you need to pay attention to something called debt avalanche. This means that you need to make a minimum payments on all your debts, but throw any extra money at the debt with the highest interest rate. So essentially, you don't want to leave behind any of your debts, okay? You're paying the most expensive one, but you also want to make sure you keep maintaining the other debt as well. The second option is, of course, the debt snowball, which means that instead of focusing on the interest rates, pay off the debt with the smallest balances first, meaning you have $1,000 balance, start with this one versus going after 20, 30, 50, $100,000. It's two different methods, two different strategies highlighted over here from BART AI. Then you want to make sure to focus on how you can increase your payments. This means that if you are able to make an extra payment, you're gonna save a lot of money simply because you're gonna reduce the number of interest you're going to pay on your previous debt. So if you're scheduled to pay 20 payments until the year end, if you make another extra payment every single month, well, you are going to be able to cut these payments down to 10. Not guaranteed though. So essentially making an extra payments, even small ones, can significantly accelerate your debt-free journey. Considering putting an extra income like bonuses or tax refunds directly towards your debt. The next strategy will be to reduce your expenses, something we went through in the previous video, guys. You want to make sure that you watch it as well. The most popular saving strategy. So in this example over here, they're trying to highlight that no, you want to make sure that you're spending only what is necessary. Don't go out of your budget. Don't buy stuff that you don't really need at this point, considering that your goal and your priority should be to essentially pay off your debt. The next strategy and rule of success will be to increase your income by any means. Earning extra money can give you a significant boost in your debt payoff efforts, and also you should consider taking a side hustle, or at least reselling your items at home that you don't use, which makes so much sense even if you don't have debt. The next suggestion over here is to explore debt consolidation, which means that you can consolidate a single loan with the lower interest rates with other payments and potentially save money on it. I know that there are companies like this who can actually do that for you, but I think you can do that on your own for free. Just all you gotta do is to sit and spend one weekend researching how and what is the best strategy to consolidate your debt. Again, the last tips from BART AI. Remember, all this information is generated from the best comments, best reviews, best blogs, best information put out there, and we're getting only the prime information over here, guys. So you want to pay very close attention over here. According to BART AI, you need to track your progress. Okay, keep track of your debt payments and milestones to stay motivated and celebrate your success. Meaning, you need to reward yourself by seeing the progress, right? If you don't keep up with how much money you spend, how much money you pay off, how much money has been left to be left without any debt, this is something that you should follow. Follow the progress and stay optimized and stay motivated. They said, automate your payments. Simply do the hands-free function. So essentially, you will be able to remove this as another responsibility or alert in your mind, which will reduce your stress for sure. Again, one of the best practices considering avoiding taking new debt, right? Trying to live off what you currently earn with the rest of the payments towards your old debt. So being able to live without new debt is crucial, because otherwise you're going in the limbo and it essentially will take much longer for you to become debt free. Last but not least, guys, you need to be patient and you need to be persistent. This is true for every venture in life, every goal, every opportunity that you have to get what you want or to achieve what you want deserve your time and respect, and definitely requires to be patient and persistent. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.